Horses out, Diamond Power past the begin. Zandigan, Euroclidon in the middle portion. Also moving up now on the outside, Charge the Castle. Together with Zaizante. Euroclidon running by the release, Diamond Power. Zandigan in third and followed by Charge the Castle in the middle portion, Zaizante. Speed Runner comes next. Tasha, Dakota Elegance, Velvet Haze, and Blue Mime Fury is racing in last. That's still Euroclidon, the leader by a length. Diamond Power, Zandigan, Charge the Castle on the outside port. Here comes Speed Runner, now coming closer down or inside to take port. Diamond Power, Euroclidon on the outside. Speed Runner in the middle portion together with Zandigan. Charge the Castle in fifth position. Diamond Power, Speed Runner on the outside. Euroclidon, here comes Zandigan and Charge the Castle. Speed Runner takes the lead. Zandigan, Charge the Castle on the outside. Speed Runner, the leader by a length and a half. Charge the Castle now to take second. Zandigan in third as the field turns bottom. With his Speed Runner now by about 3 lengths. Charge the Castle still in second, then followed by Zandigan, and down to the finish. And it's still his Speed Runner by about 7 lengths over Charge the Castle on the outside. Moving up now, Blue Mine Fury, and finally Speed Runner. Second is Blue